It's your boy, Drew, the MFG Crow, and you know what time it is. Top trade schools in Texas. Come on. It's time to get that work. With this diverse economy and bustling industrial hubs, Texas is a hotbed for the skilled trades. The Lone Star State, a powerhouse for industry, boasts a thriving economy driven by key manufacturing sectors. From petroleum to aerospace to heavy machinery, the demand for skilled professionals in the Lone Star State is unparalleled. Let's check out the top trade schools that are shaping Texas' future. If you in the Lone Star State and you need to get connected with one of these high-paying, high-tech careers of the future in any of those industries that I just named, these are the schools that can get you there. Houston Community College. HCC, situated in the heart of Houston, is a beacon for aspiring engineers, machinists, and CNC programmers. With strong ties to industry leaders like ExxonMobil and Halliburton, HCC offers programs tailored to meet the demands of all of Houston's industrial landscape. With a graduation rate of 80% and a focus on diversity and inclusivity, HCC ensures that they're building equitable solutions to get all students equal access to vast opportunities in these high-paying career fields. Number 2, Austin Community College. ACC is at the forefront of manufacturing education, offering innovative programs that bridge the gap between education and industry needs. The High School Advanced Manufacturing Impact Academy provides dual credit opportunities for high school students, equipping them with the skills to thrive in the high-demand workforce areas like advanced manufacturing. Additionally, ACC's partnership with Tesla offers the groundbreaking Tesla Smart Manufacturing Program. This program is a fast track to working at a great company like Tesla. It provides students with hands-on training and essential skills for a career in dynamic manufacturing. This 14-week intensive program is the first of its kind in the nation, offering unparalleled opportunities for aspiring technicians. In addition to that, they offer multiple certifications. On top of that, they offer multiple certifications, associate's degree, and you can even get your bachelor's. The #1 trade school in the Lone Star State, Texas State Technical College. Now, the TSTC system is amazing. They got multiple campuses and multiple locations all across the state of Texas, and they're laser focused on affordability and great programs that serve you and the industry. The top 2 programs for advanced manufacturing are in the Waco and Harlingen areas. They lead the charge in preparing students for success in Texas' manufacturing sector. The Waco campus boasts a remarkable 90% placement rate, with graduates securing positions at industry giants like SpaceX and Caterpillar. Meanwhile, the Harlingen campus specializes in electronics and aerospace engineering, with a stellar 92% job placement rate. Graduates of TSTC Harlingen program typically get highly sought after jobs at companies like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, underscoring the school's reputation for producing top-tier aerospace talent. Now, as always, if you're in Texas and you like my list, show me some love. If you're an alumnus of these fine institutions and they did well in your career, let us know so somebody else out there can see what your journey was like when they make the decision on which one of these fine places to pick. And if you didn't like my list, if you hated it, if your school was better, put it in the comments below. Let me know what I missed. Tell me why it's better than the 3 on my list, and we can consider it for the next round. Texas, it was fun, but next up, the Empire State, New York. You gonna get this work. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay tuned with the top trade schools in your state.